We're now joined by a very special guest, a young woman who's going to be one of the youngest members of parliament in the 18th Lok Sabha. Shambhavi Chaudhary is just 25 years old.
But she's a third generation politician. I can see her on our television screen. Welcome, Shambhavi. She contested on an LJP ticket and she has won. Shambhavi, congratulations. Being a woman MP or being a woman candidate in a caste-driven society or deeply rooted in caste, Bihar, how did you negotiate through what will be seen as a very, very treacherous caste terrain of Bihar?
So when I went to the constituency, I did not talk of caste or I did not talk of religion. I only talked about the development and all the development that has happened in Bihar in the last decade. That's what I think convinced people, and they already have their mind. They are already mentally prepared and they know where to cast their vote. It's just that you have to go to them, you have to talk about the schemes that you have in mind, and I think I was successful in delivering my vision. And I would also like to mention that you have a national political manifesto that the NDA coalition came up with, but I also had a local manifesto that was only strictly related to my constituency, and we worked on that. We went to every house, we talked about it, be it the Nukkar Sabhas or different large gatherings. We talked of our vision, we talked of our goals. I specifically tried to meet as many people as I could. I was on the field for 16-17 hours a day, meeting people, discussing different plans, how they envision their own future, what they want for their own constituency, and I think it proved to be successful.
All right, now Shambhavi, it's a welcome change. You're also a third generation politician. So what made you choose the LJP, not a very significant player, a smaller ally of the JDU and BJP? You could have chosen one of the bigger parties in the state.
Why I chose Lok Jan Shakti Party basically was I am young, I am a youth, and I think I connect with youth more. I saw a comfortable and secured future in our party president Chirag Paswan, and you mentioned one thing that I could have gone with Janata Dal United or Bharatiya Janata Party, but I chose Lok Jan Shakti Party because I think the future of Bihar lies in Lok Jan Shakti Party, and as you can see, it's the only party of the state that has got 100% strike rate. Despite having the party's name changed, we had a different election symbol also. Earlier this party was contesting on a bangla. The bungalow was their election symbol, but this time when we were contesting, we had the helicopter was our election symbol, and despite having a new symbol, a new name to the party, and this was the first election that we fought after respected Ram Vilas Paswan ji passed away, and despite all these consequences, we have 100% strike rate, and this party has always given 100% strike rate, be it the 2014 elections, 2019 elections, and now the 2024 elections. For 3 elections, all the candidates of the party have been winning. So I think prior to today, there could have been speculations about this party not being strong, but we have, I think, worked very hard, and we have been successfully, Chirag Bhaiya has successfully been able to establish this party as a key party in Bihar politics.
Okay, our last question to you, Shambhavi, even as we congratulate you for what has been an unusual feat, how did your campaign really go about? Like most NDA MPs, did you also seek votes in the name of Prime Minister Modi?
So definitely there is a Modi factor. You can't deny it, and no candidate can deny it. And we were contesting for the Prime Minister of this country to elect a Prime Minister with a clear mandate in this country. And definitely we were talking about our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. We were also talking about our Chief Minister Nitish Kumar ji, and we were also talking about our party President Chirag Bhaiya and respected late Ram Vilas Paswan ji. So obviously there are established leaders that have respectable face. They do have a definite vote share. But apart from all of this, I was also talking about, like I said earlier, my own vision, my own goals and aspirations for my constituency, and the plan that I have in mind, and the roadmap that I have designed for the constituency. And I think all these factors are very crucial. All these came up together, and that's how I could win with the second large margin in the state.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Shambhavi, for speaking to us, and really all the best. Hope more young people join politics. I think we need, a new way of looking at things. Thanks again for joining us on the program.
And more women join politics.
Definitely more women in politics as well. Well, thank you so much for watching.